Welcome. In this video, we will review 6 recent feature additions to Sage Accounting. Import stock adjustments, create refund from bank feeds, manage recurring invoices, mobile purchase capture, reorder invoice lines, and export update contacts and products. These improvements save you time by helping you manage multiple transactions at once and by giving you the flexibility to do more from your mobile device. Let's take a look. You can now import your stock adjustments in a single CSV file, which makes it easy to update multiple stock records at once and to quickly handle any surprises from your inventory count. From Products and Services, select the drop-down menu next to New Item and select Import Stock Adjustment. Click the link to download our CSV file. You can enter your information directly into the template or use it as a reference to update an existing file. Note that for a successful import, your CSV's file column headings and formatting must match those used in the template. After preparing your file, click Upload your CSV file, select your file and click Open. A confirmation message will appear. Then click OK. Sage Accounting makes the necessary adjustments to update your stock records. In this example, we have updated our quantity from 9 to 10 and we have updated the cost price from £5 to £10. These changes will be reflected in the general ledger. Note that when adjusting a stock quantity by a negative amount, in other words, when reducing inventory levels, the cost price in the import file is ignored. It's now easier than ever to record refunds to customers or from suppliers when processing transactions from bank feeds in Sage Accounting. From the incoming bank transactions page, simply click Create a Refund for the relevant transaction. For money out transactions like the one shown here where we have sent money to a customer for a product that they have returned, select or create a customer and select the appropriate income ledger account for the refund. For money in transactions like this example where we have received money from a supplier for damaged goods received, select or create a supplier and select the appropriate expense ledger account for the refund. If you have selected the Create Refund link in error, simply click Revert Back to Sale or Revert Back to Purchase to undo your selection. Select Create to process the transaction. Please note that supplier refunds are created as other receipts and not as credit notes, and customer refunds are created as other payments. You can find and manage multiple recurring invoices quickly with the help of new search, filter and sort options in Sage Accounting. Let's say your accountant has asked for a list of recurring invoices that are about to expire for a specific client. From the Sales drop-down menu in the navigation bar, select Sales Invoices, then select Recurring Invoices from the Sales Invoices window. You can search for the client by name, filter the results by status to show active recurring invoices, and then sort them from earliest to latest by clicking on the column heading. Click the Settings icon in the Actions toolbar to show, hide, and reorder by dragging and dropping the items in the list. Use the checkboxes to select all or a subset of your list items. From the Action toolbar, you can print your list or export to a CSV file for easy sharing. The Action toolbar also gives you the option to pause, resume, copy, or delete the selected recurring transactions. To clear the applied filters, select Filter, then Reset Filters. Note that this is just one example. There are many more ways to search, filter, and sort your recurring invoice list to optimize your workflow. You can now capture receipts and purchase invoices directly from your mobile device. In the navigation bar, select Settings and from the drop-down menu, click Apps and Connections. Then scroll down and click Purchase Automation and then select Enable. Now, when you log into your accounting app on your mobile device, you will be able to upload a receipt or an invoice. Simply select the file or image you capture on the go, and Sage Accounting automatically uploads the files as draft invoices. Back in the Sage Accounting web application, if we go to Purchases and Drafts to approve, we can now see the draft waiting to be reviewed. We can then add the supplier if necessary and click Save. We can now remove, save for later, assign for review or approve where the transaction is now posted. You can now move and change the order of invoice lines when creating invoices, meaning that you can add items that may have been missed without having to add them to the end of an item list as an oversight. To reorder the item lines in an invoice, simply go to Sales in the top navigation bar, then select Sales Invoices. From the Sales Invoices window, select the invoice you want to edit, then click Reorder Lines. To select the line item, use the drag and drop icons and drag it to the new order placement in your invoice. When you are happy, click Apply. You can now see the order lines have been successfully changed, and you can email, print, or select any other invoice options as usual. Please note, if you want to change an invoice as you create it, you will need to at least save it as a draft to enable the Reorder Lines option. And finally, in accounting, you can now export and update your customers, suppliers, and product items in CSV format rather than having to create or update each record individually. This can save you time if you need to update or create contacts or products regularly, or even to reset or restart a subscription. To update your customers, from the top navigation bar, select Contacts. Then in the Contacts window, from the New Customer drop-down menu, select Update Customers. You can then link to our Help Center for a step-by-step guide, or click Export All Customer Records. Then select Export and wait for the file to upload. When the file is ready, you will see a notification appear in the Notification Center. Simply click on this to download the file to your preferred location and open the spreadsheet when ready. You can now see that Sage Accounting has assigned a unique ID to each existing record, allowing the system to check for any changes. Simply add or change any detail to your contacts and save the file when finished. In this example, I am adding one new customer and changing the reference details of an existing contact. In Accounting, navigate back to the Update Customers window and click Choose to locate the export file you have just saved, and click Open, then Upload File. Then choose if you want to overwrite or skip empty fields, then click Continue. You will see an update summary notifying you how many records are going to be created and updated. When you are happy, click Start Import. You will then see another pop-up to let you know if the import has been successful. Back in the Customers window, we can see the new customer has been created and the existing customer reference has been updated. Please note, the process is the same for export and update suppliers and product items. However, if you are manipulating your own spreadsheet data, please make sure your headings and formatting match the template provided for each record type. Congratulations, you should now be familiar with 6 new time-saving features in Sage Accounting: import stock adjustments, refund transactions, manage recurring invoices, mobile purchase capture, move and reorder lines in sales invoices, and export update contacts and products. All available for you to start using right now. Thanks for watching.